Hello and welcome to how to build a Flash website. First, you should open your Flash. As you see here, I'm using CS5.5, and when you open it, this is the default appearance of the Flash in Essentials. I will be using a modified classic workspace, so I will show you how to do it. So let's click here, classic. Okay, there. So I'll try to modify this one by dragging some of the tools spaces. Okay, now to activate all tools, we will create a new document like so. Observe that under the properties of your Flash page, you will see the size. It is the height and the width in pixels. Also the speed of your animation in FPS or frames per second. Over here, the selection tool, you have the free transform tool, the lasso tool, pen tool, text, rectangle, line, brush, pencil, decoration, bone tool for animation, the fill tool, the eyedropper. So all of these tools can be used later on for our Flash website development. When you click a tool, you will notice additional properties below the tools section for some selected tools besides what is shown under the properties section. Now for the timeline here have the layers. Layers work like images that are stacked over each other. So if you have an image on layer 1, it will be under the layer 2. When you create a new layer, it is automatically named and also assigned with a layer color. Frames is intended for animation. While layers can appear as stacked images, frames are series of images to simulate animation. To add frames, just right click and select insert frame. Now the playhead, the red bar on top, shows the actual animation happening on the stage. You can click and drag it and see what happens on your stage. Other tools are here. We can move them for our convenience. For example, the library. This is where all our files and symbols are stored for the current Flash file. Let's try to move this here. And then for the other tools like scene can be accessed here in the window menu. We can use this later when we build our site. So let's just drag this over here. The color tools, which contains a color palette for you to use later on together with your drawing tools. You also have your align tools. It is a great help to keep objects organized or aligned, and the transform tool for easy object transformation. We have now our own customized classic workspace. So for us to access this later on, we need to save it. So we just have to click this workspace list on top and then choose new workspace. Let's name this one my workspace and then click OK. So it's now saved. We have now our own customized workspace for website development. Thank you and see you in the next video.